I'm crafting an insight right now and wanted to just run it by you.
Sure.
The insight was when I leave the message, I'd say there's something all residential architects are having to deal with, but no one is talking about. I'm on my mobile,
Yeah.
201, whatever.
Love
And
it.
then if they call back, the insight that I was going to explain is something along the lines of there's a lot of buzz around tunable lighting and just as much misinformation. For many architects, it's hard to find clear, practical guidance on what it is and how it can actually enhance their projects. How are you navigating that?
I love that. I love that. And you even give them some real world scenarios with tunable lighting is such a wide open statement that it can end up putting way more money than needs to be in the total project design, which the architect pays the price for that, right? Or not enough, right? How are you guys dealing with that? And then let them, and then that's a great insight, because no matter where their answer is, you're perfectly positioned to be like, hey, if you have those, does it make sense for me to take a look at the quotes that you have, right? On the good end, on the bad end. Hey, we're all set. We don't have any problems. Perfect. I'll be here, if it comes up, or, if you just want to make sure that you're absolutely positively certain, whether you go with me or not, that you have the right tunable lighting in there and you're not blowing through budget that's unnecessary, but at the same time not costing the aesthetic of the house. Fair enough? And they're going to leave that call either way going, he's a good guy. He's got our best interest in mind. I think you've got a great insight in there. One of the recipes that I try and use with the insight, if you're going to play around with it a little bit more, is to have not to have too much showmanship here, but to have an aspect where you say, tunable lighting, it's a big thing. I'm not telling you anything you don't already know. But here's what nobody's talking about, right? Is the tunable lighting thing, it's not just among architects. It's not just amongst general contractors. Homeowners have these devices in their hand, and when they're looking at building a house, the algorithm is serving them all kinds of things, even Pinterest things that were generated by artificial intelligence that don't actually exist, right? And here's the weird thing. You know who pays the price for all of that? It's the architect, right? Because over the 4th of July weekend, they got served stuff that makes it look like, all of a sudden their house looks like the White House, and a lot of that's AI driven. How are you guys dealing with that, right? And it's like, wow, it's all of a sudden turns into a great conversation. Hey, my name's Matt Easton. If this is your first time seeing my sales videos, I want to help you out. I want to give you my closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. Click the link here or in my bio. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. You are going to close more deals. You're going to have more fun. You're going to make more money. You're going to hit your goals in life. And I'm going to cover all the costs for you. Did we just become best friends? I think so. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.